What's going on YouTube? I am back with another new video, and this video is for TryHackMe CTF solve Pickle Rick CTF. This CTF is quite interesting and solve just start the lab to start, and this CTF have a 3 flag called ingredient. First ingredient, second ingredient, and third final ingredient. Let's solve this lab. This is start this lab, and connection method are there on you connect on directly on Kali on box or attack box, and I not use attack box or Kali. I am use virtual machine Kali to best performing output. Firstly search the Kali Linux virtual box, and IP address is coming out bit second. Wait for bit second. This is a Kali Linux interface. Just start this interface, Kali Linux. Wait a bit second. This lab is quite interesting by TryHackMe. This is an easy lab. This is an easy category lab. Just see, this is a easy lab by 30 minutes. Solve this lab by 30 minutes. Pickle Rick CTF. This is like cartoon. Pickle Rick is a cartoon. I saw this. The Kali Linux are working on. Enter username, password. Do not try this username and password. This is the default username and password by virtual machine. I forgot to change. I change for the security reason. I will change for the security reason. Just get a sudo su. Firstly get a big screen to see the output correctly. Just get a sudo su. For permissions, enter a password. This is my VPN file in a desktop. Okay, there is my VPN file called apsouth1hacker1premium.ovpn. Just connect this VPN. apsouth.ovpn. Bit second to connect. Quite bit second to connect. And this is the IP address. Let's copy the IP address of this machine, paste the IP address on there. Let's check connection are they successful or not. if config. First get if config to see the 10.0 IP address. The machine are successfully connected. Firstly get a permission and use nmap. What's the IP address? 10.49.149.42. 10.49.149.42, and get aggressive scan and -OA for output called nmap, and -v verbose and D52. Check D52 get a fastest speed on nmap. There's a 1 2 3 4 5 level speeds are there. This is a simulated environment. This is try aggressive scan or D5. Do not try in any type of real world application. This is quite noisy and detect. This is start scan, and I am open a application HTTP 80 port number. Let's try the web server on or not. 10.49.149.42. This is a website called Firstly, check the view page source. This is a view page source. This is a comment line, and this is a username kind of thing. This is a username. Check it out. Username called Rick.txt. Let's copy the username and save it on now. Username, and this is called information disclosure vulnerability to expose the username, and scan on how many ports are open. Port 22 or port 80 are open, and I'm get file brute force using FF. Is a easy tool for beginner. FF is easy tool for beginner. Just get fuzz, fuzz, and get in a word list. Use share checklist, like a discovery on what's called discovery web content, not on the web content, on discovery to get a first like extensions and more than most output are there. Not recommended for this. Discovery on file system discovery, and not the file system discovery are any function SMP web content. It's a multiple file on web content. Use like medium to get the output. Enter the machine output. Just cancel and hyphen IC for ignore comments on the machine. Let's check the output. Are there? This is a basic application to try .php. Also try. You try .php. Wait a minute. I'm try .php is working better at this machine. To get the php. Login.php, portal.php are available on this website, or I just check robot.txt. Robot.txt is like a default file on every website to say the do not access this by robots. robots.txt. robots.txt is a random string like password. This is maybe a password to save this, to recall this, and login are there, huh? Login.php. Firstly enter a password called random string, as it might be a password, and this is a username. Oh, quite interesting. Login is successful. Get this is a command prompt like cmd this ls to get the multiple file are there to ls. This is a super. This is a called random. Firstly copy this file. Wait a minute. Copy this file on. Get this file to get the output. Command disabled to make hard to further Pickle Rock. This get command are disabled. The alternative of get command is less command. Alternative of get command is less. To get the file read and get the first flag, maybe a first flag. Getting this, check. This is correct answer. Getting first flag and find the second flag. Observe, get ls. Observe the assets. A lot of files are there. Assets. Glue. What's the glue? Glue.txt. Just copy this file and get less and press this glue. Look around the file system for other ingredient. Look around the file system, cut LA for the ls his list of files, and -LA is for any hidden directories or file are there on list. Get list. Get home, might be home directory. Yes, home directory, and Rick is a directory. ls-home and get a Rick directory. Rick directory's second ingredient has been found on this. Get less home Rick, and this is the second ingredient. Copy this ingredient bit and paste it. This is not work. Why this is not work? There's a space out there. This is a bit tricky. This is space to get ignore the space to get the double quotes on both of the double quote or single quote also. Jelly, one jelly is a second, might be a second. This is the second ingredient, and get a successful 66% lab is complete. There's a final ingredient. How to find a final ingredient? Get ls and not might be found any type of this. Use root directory access. Root directory has been blocked, so not permission to access the root directory. To get the privilege escalation like thing, to get the sudo -l like thing is called sudo. This is a vulnerability called, this is a misconfiguration called all no password allow. This is a command run on sudo permissions. Get sudo ls-la root as a list of files, and as a third ingredient are there. Get sudo less and paste the third ingredient are there. Root method second in a root directory, and then is the called third ingredient are there. This might be third ingredient on TryHackMe, and this about this beats the bow complete the room on the point earn is 90, and this is the streak R1 day. I'm solving a CTF room this day start, and this vulnerability. This is first vulnerability called information disclosure. This is an information disclosure vulnerability to find this, and this is also a robot.txt has an information disclosure, has a password, or robot.txt get a password, or many other files on not by hidden. That's it this video guys, and please like, subscribe and share, and share with like-minded people, friends. Goodbye.